In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your staff's shifts and availability using Booksy Biz, a convenient tool for businesses to streamline their services. Whether you're a salon owner or manage a team, efficient scheduling is crucial for keeping operations smooth. Let's break down this process step by step. First, you'll want to head over to the Booksy Biz website. This is your main hub for all things related to staff management and scheduling. Once you arrive on the site, look towards the navigation menu where you'll find an option called Staff Management and Resources. Clicking on this will take you to the section where you have additional controls over your team's schedules. Now that you are in the right area, your next step is to locate and click on the tab labeled Shifts. This is where you can view and manage all shift-related details for your staff. Here you'll find a list of all your employees along with their current shifts, allowing you to oversee and adjust their working hours as needed. To make changes, you'll see a pencil icon next to each staff member's shift. This icon is crucial as it indicates edit functionality. By clicking the pencil, you're enabling yourself to alter the specifics of any given shift. This might include adjusting start and end times or changing the days your staff are available to work. When you click on the pencil, a new window will pop up allowing you to edit the availability of your team member. Think of this as your opportunity to ensure their work schedules align with their own needs as well as those of your business, creating a work environment that is both flexible and efficient. After making the necessary adjustments to your staff's availability, it's essential to save your changes. At the bottom of the editing window, you'll notice a Save button. Go ahead and click it to confirm and store the modifications you've made. This will update the shift details for that particular staff member and ensure that your schedule reflects the most current information. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your team's schedules, reduce conflicts, and maintain a smooth operation within your organization. The ease and flexibility of Booksy Biz offer a practical solution for dealing with the often complex task of staff scheduling. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the process of managing shifts and availability with Booksy Biz. Remember, a well-organized schedule not only boosts productivity, but also enhances employee satisfaction. We hope this guide has been helpful, and thank